Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can work around changing your currency in Roblox. Now, usually it's all going to be in US dollars if you go to purchase Robux right here, and as you can see, it's all in US dollars. However, there is a little work around this. So all you have to do is go to roblox.com/home and change home to gift cards. Okay, from here we want to purchase a gift card if you want to use a different currency. So click on shop gift cards. This is the official Roblox website, so no worries here. So you can either purchase for a friend or for me. I'm going to do for me, and then pick a gift card. As you can see here, you are given other currencies which you can select. So if you don't want to use US dollars, you can do Canadian dollars, euros, or Great British pounds. So I'm going to do euros as an example, and then you have to select send a gift card or digital gift card and click on how much. And here you can see the different currencies. As you can see, euros 15 up to 200 euros. These are the 4 currencies you can use. So if you want to do Great British pounds, again up to 150 Great British pounds, or Canadian dollars up to 250. So that is how you can work around changing your currency in Roblox. So I hope it helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe if it did. I will see you next time. Goodbye.